What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at if the Blackberry Passport works in 2022. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you're watching this video, you probably are wondering if after the end of life for all BlackBerry 10 devices, if one of the most popular BlackBerry 10 devices, the Blackberry Passport, is still functioning. And the short answer that I can give you is yes, provided that you don't try to update or reinstall the OS on your device. The Blackberry Passport is still working with the last version of the BlackBerry 10 operating system. This may come as a surprise to many of you, as if you're watching this video, you're probably well aware that June 4th was the last day for official support from BlackBerry for the BlackBerry 10 OS, and that BlackBerry actually shut down the servers supporting the BlackBerry 10 OS. I'm happy to report that basic text services and phone calls are still working on the BlackBerry Passport. This is contrary to many of the notices that BlackBerry 10 users may have received from their telecom carrier stating that their BlackBerry 10 devices might not work after June 4th. Well, I'm happy to report that if you don't try to update your device or try to reinstall the OS on your device, that the phone support, the software support, and a lot of apps are still working for the BlackBerry Passport. There's a lot of reports though that if you try to restart and reinstall the BlackBerry 10 OS, that you might not be able to get past certain screens, and this will effectively brick your device. Thankfully, I haven't had to cross this bridge yet, as I still have a functioning version of a BlackBerry Passport. So if you're interested in purchasing a BlackBerry Passport in 2022, you might be able to find one that still is operational. Let's go over some of the specs just in case you are looking to purchase this over 6-year-old device. The BlackBerry Passport features a 4.5-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1440 by 1440. That's 1:1. It has a 2.2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 and 3 GB of RAM. So these specs, while somewhat impressive when it was released, are somewhat dated, but that's of course not why you're purchasing this device. The reason that you're interested in this device, of course, is the strange form factor, the unparalleled typing experience, and of course the BlackBerry design. So if all these things are still appealing to you, you'll be happy to know that the BlackBerry Passport is still somewhat functional in 2022. Keep track of my further videos for a list of apps that are working on the Passport in 2022. And if you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe.